You take your little days of how many days do you have your holiday since day one, whatever you want to say. But when the days come, you know it's right here.
How about we just shut the fuck up and start beating the shit out of each other?
If you want that, we can do that. But I would advise you to use your head this time.
Hang on.
Dude, this fat lard of cupcakes thinks he can.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Done talking shit? Oh.
Oh. Oh.
I don't know what that was, but okay.
Oh. Oh. Okay, I'll show you, old man.
Oh, God.
You know what?
You know what?
Old man's still standing, so you know.